Hey guys, I'm making this video to state some common problems with the Sony HTC-290 soundbar with subwoofer. I've seen some comments online saying that there is a delay problem, also that the speakers do not have good bass and sound really tingy. I think I have found the solution for these two problems. On the remote, if we focus, get a focus. So on the remote, if you want good bass, I found a trick. So you press the night button. So you press the night button until it sounds tingy, and then press it again until you hear the bass. Once you hear the bass, press clear audio plus, and then after that, press audio, and that should be a good enough bass. Or you could even just press the night button until you hear it sounding tingy, and then press it again until it sounds bassy, and then press the clear audio plus button, and that also is a good option for bass. Also, the solution to the problem for the delay is that I found that it delays more on these four options: the voice, surround, night, and audio. But if you press the clear audio plus button, you will notice that the sound connection is much more aligned with whatever you're watching. That's what I've noticed. So yeah, if you guys want to try it, give it a go, and yeah, hope it helps. Sweet as. I'll give you a demonstration. So I'll put it on TV.
But I didn't know, I know.
So now it's playing on clear audio plus. And if I put it on surround,
he just went out his way.
it seems like it's a little bit delayed. I don't know if you can notice it, but I can. If you press back to audio, clear audio plus,
Grammy Awards, January 28th,
it seems a bit more
New York
quicker.
City, your hometown.
The sound is actually
nervous. You want to know something?
synced with the television.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway, guys, I hope that you like this video, and I hope that it's helped.
You already are.
Because it's like, I never thought me.
Thank you for listening. Okay, see ya.